Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the best lat pull down pad for the RitFit M1 version 2.0 Smith machine. Now, the RitFit M1 version 2.0 Smith machine has got everything, okay? It's got the pull down, it's got the Smith machine bar, it's got a dual pulley system. What it was only missing was this lat pull down pad. So this is one that I got from Kipka. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. But with this, you can do Bulgarian squats, okay, or lunges. You can do Nordic hamstring curls, and you could also use it as a lat pull down, which is one of my main use cases for it. So it's got multiple adjustments, okay? It's got 6 different points of attachment here so that you can raise up and down. In addition to that, it also has like a screw over here so that you can adjust it on your actual Smith machine rack as well. So I absolutely love this thing. I've had it for about 2 months right now. Pads themselves, I mean, it's quality, okay? I'd say it's decent quality, especially for the price that you get. And with it, I've been able to use it for Bulgarian split squats, and I've also been able to use it for my lat pull downs. So if you need something like this added to your RitFit M1 version 2.0 Smith machine, this is definitely one to get. I was kind of questioning it at first, but I'm glad I pulled the trigger on getting this just because it's been a staple as part of being part of my rack goes for the longest time now. I actually never take this off and I use it all the time. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.